Hello, Morrowind World. My Morrowind here, with another installment on none other than Skyrim. My least favorite game in the world. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I wanted to make a video about the actual mods, or at least some of them that I use, which make me even want to play Skyrim. Because yes, vanilla Skyrim pretty much just makes me want to play Morrowind that much more. Now, why? Of course I have Skyland here. I actually already had Skyland, but I was using the 1K version. I just installed the 2K, but that's besides the point. I found what I think is going to make me actually want to play Skyrim again, and it's Burb Walker 21's dinosaur mods, pretty much all of which I downloaded to help me kind of get a taste of, the Morrowind-like dinosaur prehistoric landscape that was in the third Elder Scrolls. Skyrim Unlimited. This allows you to level up and kind of focus on your attributes and skills. That was taken away in Skyrim. There's more of a focus on the perks, which I don't know, just wasn't really doing it for me. To compensate for the lack of spells, I use Triumvirate, Apocalypse, and Odin. If you play Skyrim, you'll know that they took away spell making pretty much altogether, and I don't know, it just kind of fell short. The magic kind of fell short in Skyrim, and I feel like, honestly, in my opinion, I might offend some people here, but I felt like Bethesda kind of got lazy with Skyrim and just kind of like did away with magic and instead focused on, a sort of lazy version of magic, the shouts and tonal manipulation, which I know tonal manipulation is lore and the Dwemer used it, but I don't know, I just, something about it isn't convincing to me. And shouting at people. Yeah. I also use Ordinator, Perks of Skyrim. This sort of like fleshes out the perk system. And I also use Alternative Start, specifically the Shipwrecked version. I like that one because one thing I didn't like about Skyrim was how quickly it started. You just kind of jump into the game and there's already a dragon attack, and you already kind of know who you are and what you're doing, and I didn't really like that. So I use the Shipwreck Alternative Start because, you just start Shipwreck, you've kind of lost your memories, you don't know who you are, and you jump right into the world. And I just really like that. You slowly progress through the game. Also, war zones. There is a talk within the game world of a battle raging, but you don't really see it. But this sort of brings NPCs onto the battlefield and landscape, out into the wilderness. Last but not least, I also use the animation mods from Verolivi, and I do that kind of for superficial reasons, I guess. But the running in Skyrim, I mean, am I wrong? It looks like they're wiggling. Why do they look like that? Okay, anyway, I installed these mods. I have not used them yet. I'm actually about to, I don't even know if hopefully I installed it correctly. And, the only thing that I did, oh gosh, what's happening here? Okay. The only thing I did do was activate the mods. So after you install them, obviously you come over here and let me just make sure that they saved. Yes, yes, okay. Well, Morrowind World, let's see what we've got here. That's a dragon. Let's see what we've got here. All of these mods, I think, will collectively encourage me to actually play the game. Okay, I think I can say that the graphics do look a little better. The textures look a little less blurry. That was bothering me. So here's my run animation. He just looks a little less wiggly. He looks more like he's running. What I really want to see, so so far so good. I don't see any errors. Well, in Skyrim, when you mod Skyrim, if there's an error, it won't let you load, pretty much. Like in Morrowind, you can load the game. You can load the game even if there's errors, and there'll just be like yellow exclams everywhere. So this is good. I don't see, what I really want to see is the dinosaur mods. I want to see the dinosaurs. Where are they? Let's go see if we can track some. Oh, wait, I think I see one. Oh, man. Wolf, leave me alone. Oh, do you guys see? I love dinosaurs. I just really do. And that was one of the biggest letdowns in Oblivion when I first played Oblivion, is that what are the land animals? They're like bears and wolves. Like, that's not creative at all. And, Morrowind was like, oh my god, it was like revolutionary. Like, look at all these creatures. And now, oh, this is so cool. This is almost like educational. I also like that it's not attacking me, it's just kind of there. Not every creature has to attack you. Okay, so that's one. Let's go see if we can find... So go on there and check it out yourself. I mean, there's like... He has ones for like raptors and Tyrannosaurus Rex and pterodactyls and stuff, so... So far, so good, people. I can honestly say that the game looks a lot better. Like, all I did was switch from the 1K to the 2K, and I can tell it's like... It was definitely looking a little blurry. Oh, man, here's another one! That's so cool! And this is so awesome. I mean, this is like... That is so cool. Look at that. That is a dinosaur. Dinosaurs in Sky... Whoa! What the heck was that? Some kind of big explosion. There's a mammoth. What was that explosion, though? Whoa! That mammoth has electricity? Like, I gotta stay away from this guy. I bet you he's aggressive. He doesn't seem to, like wolves. I don't either, so maybe, the enemy of my enemy is my friend kind of deal. Maybe he won't bother me. Hold on, wait. Where am I? Okay, I'm up here. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Maybe let's go over here. I'm gonna fast travel. Let's fast travel to Whiterun and see what dinosaur. I wanted to fast travel. I've not discovered this location yet. I haven't discovered Whiterun yet? Jeez. Okay, what have I discovered? This one? Fast travel. Yeah, let's fast travel here. Let's see what dinosaurs are in this region. I love dinosaurs. When I was a little kid, I made like... Uh-oh. What the heck? Gosh darn it, I died. Okay, well that's what I get for downloading the Warzone mod. My bad, people. Okay, give me a second here. We're gonna load back into this. Let's try again. Let me, maybe I can fast travel somewhere else. Rebels Cairn? Why not? Yeah, the graphics definitely look a lot better.
Is someone there?
Oh, there's a dinosaur.
Thought I heard something.
Oh, Triceratops! Whoa! Hey, look, man, I'm good. Jeez Louise, he just, like, flung that guy out of no... Did you guys see that? That was crazy. What the heck is that thing? I haven't played this game in so long, I don't remember. What in the world? What in the world is that? That is... I don't even know what that is. Look at these Triceratops. They're, like, actually climbing the mountains and stuff. I haven't played this game in so long, I don't remember how to sprint. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is so... Oh, look at the raptors! And they're, like, in packs. You know what? I might actually start playing Skyrim again now. Because before this, like, this was not... Are they, like, friendly or something? Or, like, none of them are attacking me? You would think that they would attack me, right? Oh, jeez, he's looking at me. Whoa! Are they gonna eat it? Oh, that is so cool. They actually, like, hunt and eat animals, like, in packs together. That's so cool. So the AI is really good with it. Anyway. Yeah, the 2K actually makes a pretty big difference. I like... Whoa. It looks like there's some, velociraptors down here. Now, there's a mod, there's a retexture mod that makes the raptors and the T-Rexes have scaly skin instead of, like, sort of birds. I might explore that in the future, but... What are they doing? What are they Oh, they're attacking, like, They're attacking the chickens. That's so funny. Oh, they killed this cow. I wonder how strong they are. Oh, God. Yep, he's attacking me. I got too close. Yeah, he's like... Oh, no, they're like... Yeah, they're definitely really strong. I'm dead. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, then. Let's try this one more time. I want to see if I can get, I want to see... If we can see a pterodactyl and a Tyrannosaurus Rex. But where would those be? Maybe they'd be over here somewhere. Maybe they'd be over here. Let's see. Have I been here yet? I have not discovered this yet. I know, I'm only like level 17. I haven't even actually started the main quest. I have not actually started the main quest. Why? Because... I don't know. I'm just like... I don't know. Skyrim always kind of felt like nails on a chalkboard to me. Like, I felt like burdened playing it. Like, I wanted to play Morrowind instead. But these I mean, this is gonna make me want to play it again. I'm gonna be honest. Like, it's... I've got, you know, a better leveling system. The magic is better. A more, like, immersive, creative world. Okay, I don't know whose enemy that is, but... Can I wait? Let's wait. Let's wait some time here, folks. And, I feel like it's appropriate, too, because... Why wouldn't dinosaurs be in this, like, ancient, magical landscape that is the Elder Scrolls universe? You know what I mean? Why not? Why not? I don't even remember how to use spells. I'm gonna be honest, no, I don't know how to equip spells. How do I equip spells? No. I have no idea how to... Oh god, I'm gonna die. want to do is see a Tyrannosaurus Rex. How the heck do you use magic in this game? I don't even know. I'm still learning how to play this game. Oh, there we go. I thought you could dual wield, though. Can't you dual wield? Is there no dual wielding? There's dual wield. I mean, there's dual wielding in... There's dual wielding in Oblivion. There's gotta be dual wielding in Skyrim. Can't honestly remember the last time I played this game. I'm sorry, folks. This is probably the worst showcase you've ever seen. That's okay. If you don't like it, you can just, surf the web somewhere else. Maybe explore another YouTube channel of some kind. I want to see if I can get it. It's not cloudy. I mean, of course, I would like you to stay here and subscribe to me, because that's what every YouTuber wants, is more subscribers. Oh yeah, hold on. I also did a night sky mod with the Skyland. So I guess that's what the night sky looks like. So that's cool. All right, so it's better daytime now. Okay, let me not die. We're on the hunt for a Tyrannosaurus Rex. I'm gonna be honest, the game looks a lot better. Whoa, what is that? Are those pterodactyls? Oh, those are like the little pterodactyls. Oh, okay, cool. So we got the pterodactyls. Let me stay away from them because I feel... What is this? Is that a beehive? Oh. We have beehives in here? Oh, there is a spider. Okay, I'm just trying to not... So they must be making those noises because you're getting too close to them or something, and it's like a warning call. Who's this guy? Some random orc? Okay. He's not bothering me. I won't bother him. I just want to see it. Where are all these? Oh god. Okay, I just want to see a Tyrannosaurus Rex, people. I've seen every dinosaur I wanted to except my Tyrannosaurus Rex. Whoa. What was that for? Did you guys... Are they attacking? What the heck? I didn't even do anything. They must be... They must be, bandits or something. Exploring the world of Skyrim. I mean, it's a beautiful... It looks way better. I'm gonna be honest. 2K... I don't even know why I did 1K from the beginning. I think I was just trying to... I was thinking about saving on RAM or something, but...
Did you see a dog out there?
No.
The blacksmith is offering a reward for a dog he saw on the road. I was hoping you'd seen it. I guess I'll stay on the lookout. Keep your nose clean while you're here, outsider.
Okay, I will. Yeah, the game, I mean, the 2K looks much better. You guys probably can't see it on my end because, or on your end because...
They're reforming the Dawn Guard. Vampire hunters or something in the old fort near Rift.
You know, recording makes everything blurry anyway, so... But it looks really good on my end. It looks very good, actually, I'm going to be honest. So, well, I don't want this video to run on forever and ever until I find a T-Rex. How long is it going to take? Where am I? Okay, let's keep going. Feel free to skip ahead. I mean, if you're like me, all you do is either play Elder Scrolls or watch Elder Scrolls videos on other channels too, so join me in an exploration of what the heck? Who's this guy? Crazed druid? God dang it, he's like kicking my butt. Oh god, I'm gonna die again. I'm not very strong. I need to figure out how to dual wield magic. Like, this is ridiculous. I should be... I don't remember what my... Oh man, I'm all the way over here. Okay, wait. Where's Falkreath? There it is, because I just discovered... Wait. I haven't discovered that one yet. Let's go back to Falk... Oh my gosh. I just want to travel... Does anybody else have this issue with this, like, marker? There must be a mod to get rid of that or something. Wait a minute, what? I just discovered... You guys saw me, I just discovered Falkreath, right? Oh, for freak's sake. Okay, let's go over here. I don't know where the T-Rex is going to be. Let's just keep walking around. I got a feeling it's going to be over here somewhere. Let's see, which direction do I want to head? I actually want to head this direction. Oh, can I steal a horse and make... Oh, I got an idea. No, I can't steal a horse. Well, since we're all here... Oh, I probably should have mentioned I also use True Storms mod too, so that's probably why it looks like this. And, so I definitely like the True Storms mod. Check that out. Available on Nexus. Any minute now, we're gonna come across a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Any minute now, gosh. Can you people just leave me alone? There's another bandit. We're just surrounded by bandits. Where's my T-Rex? You know what? I'm gonna find my T-Rex. This guy's still chasing me. If it's the last thing I do... I think I see some... What is this? Triceratops? Oh. That weather changed pretty quickly there. That was like a pretty quick transition. Quick transition there. Where? Oh, what are these? Okay, so there's our Triceratops. I already saw those. Who's this guy? He must be a hunter. Oh, see, there's a battle. A battle is raging. Oh, those are woolly mammoths in there's a giant woolly mammoth. Jeez, they're all battling over here. Here's another weird Triceratops. Oh god. There's a lot of stuff going on right here. Mammoths and Triceratops. Battles. But all I really want to see right now is a T-Rex. But honestly, as you can see, I mean, the whole landscape is completely changed. I mean, the sounds, the creatures. I mean, it completely transforms Skyrim into something so much more enjoyable. Because, like, before, this whole landscape was just barren. There's no animals out here. There were animals, but they're like, what? Like bunnies and foxes, and now we have these great big epic creatures. It's much more appropriate and suiting. I don't know. What do you think? Drop a comment down below. I have no idea where these T-Rexes are. Oh, jeez. Okay. That's about the only thing I can kill is a wolf. Oh, wait a minute. Is that it? I think I see it. People, this might be it. Oh, no, dang it, it's not. It's just that Megalodon thing again. Actually, that's not a Megalodon at all. Megalodons are, I think those are the giant sharks. They have a mod for that too, so all of what's his name's dinosaur mods I pretty much downloaded, except for the aquatic ones. I didn't download any of those, but they have he's got like salmon and tuna and I didn't download any of those. I wasn't like super interested in that. How often do you spend underwater? How much time do you spend underwater in Skyrim? Not a whole lot. Okay, I'm starting to begin to wonder if my T-Rex mod works, because I have seen none. But this playthrough is no less enjoyable. And we got a battle over here. Here they are. What the heck was that? Some kind of bear? So I don't know about you guys, but I feel like most people I know who play Skyrim usually side with the, humans. I don't remember which one is which, but, it's basically the humans versus the elves. And obviously I'm high elf, but the high elves get a bad rap, because, they kind of like look down on Talos as he's not a real god and blah blah blah. It's blasphemy. But I see the argument. I mean, I appreciate Talos as a god, and that's great, but whoa, that dino just got launched. Payback. I mean, I love coming, like, around these hills and then seeing a dinosaur on the other side. It's like, what? This is great. Let me see if I can sprint. Hello. I really just want to see a T-Rex here, but I don't know, people. I don't know if it's going to happen. Now, this is a nice view. Yes, definitely. Well, I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm going to sign off now, because I don't want this to run forever. Because I know when I load it, it's going to take like 5 hours to upload to YouTube. I ain't got that kind of time, people. Actually, I do. Let's see. Somebody's like, come on, can you get up there? Jump. There we go. Oh gosh, I think they're attacking me. I'm just trying to get around so I can see some stuff. I don't know exactly where I am, but I highly recommend doing the 2K because my game was blurry and I just thought it was a problem with Skyrim. No. Because I figured, well, the 1K is still got to be better than vanilla Skyrim, but it's not. So definitely use 2K. There's really no reason not to. This game is optimized out the wazoo anyway. Well, folks, sorry, I thought... Ow! You're mean. What the heck is that thing? Oh god, I'm gonna die again, aren't I? I'm just gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna keep running. I don't know how my heavy armor increased. Leave me alone. Can't we all just get along? What the heck is that? Is that some kind of... Are you guys still coming after me? Leave me alone, man. I'm out of here. I am not strong enough. I am only level 17. And I don't know how to dual wield magic. Cut me some slack. That looks beautiful. Well, Morrowind World, I think I'm going to sign off now. I don't know where my T-Rex is. Maybe I'll make another video of that in the future. I mean, at this point, you're probably like, you know what? The dinosaurs are invading a township? That is... come on. Like, I mean, it's like, it goes together with war zones. Like, perfectly. Ow. Okay, I have no idea where I am. T-Rex? Cannot travel when enemies are nearby. Of course not. You know what? I am gonna show you guys a T-Rex if it's the last thing I do. So you just stay tuned. Don't give up on me, people. Oh. Ow. Mean. I actually love this game like 100% more. Honestly, like even with all my mods for Skyrim, without the dinosaur mods, like I wouldn't want to play this game. I mean, the landscape is just so boring, but after all that, I mean, come on. How could you not want to play this? I might actually beat the main quest for the first time now. Because I have not done that. I've played and beaten Morrowind like several times, probably like 5 or 6 times. I've played and beaten Oblivion once, and only once. And I've never beaten Skyrim. So what does that tell you? It means that obviously I like Morrowind that much. These people still coming after me. But for good reason. What is that? You can't still be coming after me. Iron route. I just want to get away so I can fast travel. Can you fast travel yet? Oh. Okay. I should have known with all the music. I'm still being chased. Now? Yes. Okay, here we go. Where in the heck is the dinosaurs? You know what? I'm gonna kind of cheat here really quick. Do my task manager. And I'm gonna go. I wonder if it says it. This is what I want to see. They're large carnivores, protofeathers. I did download it, didn't I? It says I did download it. Me, let me go just double check here. Let me double check. Okay, so I got giant gastropods. I haven't seen those. Those are like giant slugs. Raptors, tyrannosaurids, feathered tyrannosaurids. Okay, they're in there. But where? Where? Yeah, he's having a bad day. Obviously. Oh, cool! It like saved like I thought it was gonna. I didn't know I was gonna get loaded back here. Does Skyrim automatically save? And there's more enemies. Let me see if it'll let me. Because they haven't noticed me yet. Dang it! I can't. Oh, this is cool. River rapids. Okay. Is there like an enemy everywhere? Can I just get a break here? Like for 1 second? I just want like 1 second break. Just like 1 second. It's kind of fun though, these river rapids. I wonder if there's a kayak mod. Are they still coming after me? Yeah, they're still coming. I've never been in this area before, but maybe that's my problem. Okay, let's see if it works now. Okay. Okay, of course not. They're still after me! This is like Manhunt. I'm just trying to get away, man. Like, can I get a break? Of course I don't have an invisibility spell. That would be too simple. What do you think this is, Morrowind? Yeah, right, you loser. Still behind, they're still coming after me. Oh, I think that might be it. Hold on. A bear? Is that a bear? mean, I barely know how to play this game, let alone you've seen my video on Elden Ring. I have it. I have no idea how to play that game. All of my mental real estate is dedicated to Morrowind. I don't know how to play any other game. Even if it's another Elder Scrolls game. Okay, so what do we got here? 7 p.m. Let's make it daytime. Well, that didn't really do anything. I just need to get out of the fog. I doubt I'm going to see a T-Rex here. It's probably too cold for them. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, wait. Hold on. Is this it? This might be it. Hold on. Oh, no. That's another one, though. That's that thing. Whoa. Where did that come from? A troll? A literal troll just got flung, like, out of nowhere. And I don't know what did it. I should probably stay out of the water. Man, I love those, like, deep rumbling sounds of, like, those dinosaurs, man. Did I mention I like dinosaurs? I don't know. But yeah, like I was saying, I think I cut myself off, but when I was a kid, I used to play Pokemon. Well, who am I kidding? I still play Pokemon. But when I was a kid and I was like playing Pokemon, I was like, oh yeah, I want to make my own Pokemon game. So I like literally cut out Pokemon-sized cards and like drew like creatures on them that were basically dinosaurs, and I gave them like stats and, you know, attacks, styles, and it was very. I made my own, you know, my own game. It was like Pokemon, only instead of Pokemon, it was dinosaurs. We, like, battled with dinosaurs. And I'll never forget that. I wonder whatever happened to those cards. Okay, here's a troll. He's probably, I think I'm strong enough to fight a troll. He's not like a crazy troll, he's just kind of like a normal troll. Does he want to... Still coming after me? What are those? Oh, those are like walrus. Ouch! Any minute now, we're gonna come across our Tyrannosaurus Rex. I doubt he's over here. Maybe did I check down here? I think I was up here. I don't know if I checked down here though. Let's go here. I don't know if I checked down here. Let's find out. So there's my night sky, and that looks cool. I can work with that. That's cool. It's not exactly the Morrowind night sky mod, but it really looks pretty incredible. Maybe the Tyrannosaurus T-Rex, they only come out at night or something. I don't know. Let's check. Where am I going? And I don't think it's up here. They seem to be scattered like everywhere. So I don't know why we haven't seen a T-Rex yet. Hopefully I installed it correctly. Yeah, I did. I'm pretty sure. I'm 100% sure I did. Let's see here. I see a hunter on the... Oh. See, that's so cool that, like... I mean, these two different mods are interacting with each other, you know. Seeing the NPCs interact with the dinosaurs is like... makes it that much believable. These guys are a mod too. Those things, I forgot what they're called, but I saw those. I thought those were cool. Oh, there's a T-Rex! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. There it is. Oh man, and look. Oh, they're like battling the T-Rex. Oh, this is so cool, man. Holy moly. Oh my god. It looks like a double rainbow. No way, man. It's a double rainbow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I can't believe the double rainbow. Oh, God. A Daspletosaurus? Daspletosaurus? I wonder how strong they are. Actually, I don't know why I'm running away. I'm tripping. Alright, here we go. Oh gosh. That is so cool. Oh, I killed it. Yes! Well, folks, there you have it. If you have all the same qualms and issues that I had with Skyrim, log on to Nexus now, and I'll put a link in the description of all the mods showcased here today, and check it out for yourselves. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.